Hi to everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So, this is my new video, and let's talk here about this socket set. As you can see here, it is made by KRAFTWERK. This is a Swiss tool reseller, so a rebrander. Here is the box itself with red and black combinations. Solid enough box. The sockets are tight inside and nothing wobbles, so it is very good. So now let's unbox it and see what is inside. Guys, this is a complete set, I can say so. This contains from 62 pieces. We have here at first, let's talk about this shallow sockets. The smallest one here is 3.5 millimeters. Every of them have the markings, KRAFTWERK, the sizes and the part numbers, and I like it very much. The design of sockets is not special. This is a regular socket and design which is used very often on the Taiwan made tools. So guys, the biggest is 14 millimeters, and the middle one, as we see here, example is 11 millimeters. Also, we have here some deep well sockets. The smallest one is 5.5 millimeters, and it is very important that every socket in this set is 6 point. And the deep socket, the largest deep socket is 13 millimeters in diameter. The design on the deep socket is the same as it was on the shallow ones. Let's move on and now see what also is included in this set. These are the bits, and let's start from regular Torx bits. Here you can see it. The biggest is T40. The quality, guys, is not very good, but for the price I gave for it, it is worth of every penny. So now you are seeing here the smallest one, and it is T10. Also this set has T8 Torx. This is male Torx sockets. So now I'm continuing that I gave about 52 euros for it, and I think this is good investment. Here you can see the hex sockets now. The biggest one is 8 millimeters. Every of the socket has markings, KRAFTWERK, size, and the part number. It is very important for me that every of them has the part number on it. And you can see now the smallest hex socket. Also, guys, we can see in this set some screwdriver sockets. This is a flat screwdriver socket. 6.5 is the biggest size here, and also we have 3 options. If we go downside to the smallest one, also we have a Phillips screwdriver sockets and positive screwdriver sockets. Here you can see them. For example, now I'm comparing PH3 and Z3. So PZ is positive drive and P hash is Philips. Also, we have this type of tool. We can attach it to the extension, and now we have here Tbar. Then we can attach any socket on it, and it is ready construction to work. Very good decision. Also, the extensions included in the socket set are regular, not wobble extensions, and the sizes are 2" and 4". Now, guys, if we connect them to each other, the connection is enough strong, not wobbling, and I like this because I have made some more expensive socket set where the connection of the extensions were very poorly made and the wobbling was very noticeable. So here this problem is gone and it is very good. Also, guys, we can see in this socket some bits, and these are torque tamper proof bits. You can see the bits have hole inside. The smallest one is T10 or TX10, and the biggest one in the set is TX40 with the hole inside. If you have some German-made cars, this is very mandatory to use this type of torques. And here is also the bit holder to the 1/4" drive, and you can see that with this bit holder you can easily use any of these bits working on the project you choose. So this is another tool. This is a flexible extension, but I don't like that the manufacturer is not marked on this tool. And if we compare it to my old go-to Stahlwheel one, here is my German-made Stahlwheel flexible 1/4" extension. The Stahlwheel is more far ahead. You cannot bend this KRAFTWERK item when the Stahlwheel is very flexible, and it allows you to reach more tightly places. And this also this you can see a small hex keys. Now, guys, let's move on and see another part, and this is important part of the socket set. This is a bit adapter. You can go with it with the sockets, and then put it on the drill, and you will do your job faster. Nothing special, but good to know that your 1/4" socket set includes it. And the main part of the socket set is this ratchet, 1/4" ratchet. Here you can see how this ratchet is built, and I think that it is very similar to my gear wrench 120XP. Here you can see the construction is identical. These are snap ring ratchets. This KRAFTWERK ratchet is not fine teeth one, it has only 14 tooth, so it is in the middle of the strength and durability. It is a push through or teardrop ratchet. Here you can see how it sounds, and the attachment of the sockets is enough good on it. This is the part number of the socket, guys. You can see of the ratchet, guys. You can buy this ratchet separately, and here is how it comes. This is brand new, but I think it needs some cleaning with some penetrating oil, and it will look very good. So if we compare this ratchet to my go-to Elora quarter-inch German-made ratchet, the length is similar. I like more satin finish on the German tools, but Elora is narrow, and Elora has 72 tools inside. But Elora costs exactly the same as this whole set. That's the way I bought this set, and this is my first quarter-inch socket set. And also I want to show you this spinner handle, or how can I call it? You can attach any socket on it and use it as a screwdriver. The handle is rubberized and I like it very much. Also, guys, it is very important that this spinner handle has the quarter-inch hole on the bottom, and you can attach the ratchet on it and use it as a regular extension. So great combination and great decision also. Guys, I think this is great EDC tool for everyday carrying in your car. It is very compact and it contains about everything you may need to fix your cars and do some smaller jobs on the road. I don't mean some suspension jobs and other, but on the engine you can work with it, and inside the car you can also work with this tool. That's why I bought it, and I think this is enough good investment. So I'm repeating that it is very good investment. If anyone wants to buy some not very expensive set, I recommend it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and more videos will come soon. Goodbye.